Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and currently we're in Cape May because for the past 9 months, they've been working extremely hard on the brand new Firehouse, and oh my gosh, take a look at it! It, first of all, is absolutely massive, and it's also gorgeous. I figured I'll give you a quick little tour before we get started. Make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them I can make fun videos like this. If you too want to support this channel, all you have to do is click the links in the description below, and you can have your name at the end of the video. Anyway, let's get started. This is what the final project will look like. And to be honest with you, they're not too far away. They've been hammering away throughout the fall and now winter, and it looks like this bad boy will be ready in time for summer. At least from the outside point of it, they just have the siding to put on, they have some capping. The windows are all in. There really isn't too much to look at from the outside because I think most of the work is going to be done on the inside. But essentially, you've got these massive 7 doors in the front for fire and ambulances. This section over here is where they can, have their headquarters, they can be housed. They'll have their kitchen back here. Their main entrance is here with the double doors. I get past the sign. And for those who don't know, it goes back very far. You can see that. As we're walking around the property, one thing to keep in mind is, yes, this is the new Cape May Firehouse, and this is one of the original ones. For those who don't know, you can actually walk in here. Well, it's actually probably not open this very second, but you can walk in here and check out one of the original fire trucks, which are on display. Take a peek in. It's kind of hard to see. A lot of people don't realize this is here. You should definitely check it out. It's very neat. And it's a museum. And just to give a comparison, one of the newer fire trucks could never even fit in this building. I know. But this is the side of the new Firehouse. You can see how big it is. You can see they have accommodations back here. You never really realized how big this building was until you actually walked back here. And they have an American flag flying too up there. We are now at the back of the building, and oh my gosh, it looks even bigger back here, right? It is so big. At this time, there is no power running to the building. This is where the power would run in. You can see the boxes are set up. This would be the generator back here, and you can see the underground connections are just sitting here at this time. They have to lay the concrete for that too, but the front looks more put together than the back. Looks like they're just putting up the siding over here. So they'll probably do the siding here before running over to the other side and finishing up the top. Now the hopes is that when they're done, we can hopefully go inside to give you guys a tour because, that place is going to be the top of the line when it comes to firehouses, which is really exciting. While this project is going on, there's another project going on right next door. There's actually a few different things. Over here you can see this building. This is the original Cape May Library. You can see the scaffolding up there because they're fixing up the brickwork. They're going to put in new windows. This place is going to be absolutely amazing. And a lot of you guys probably had questions about that. This is actually the first time I'm finding out about it. I had no idea. On top of that, if you remember a while back, the AME church had a fire which caused the entire front to catch fire and fall down. You can see they've done a lot of work, which included this brand new woodwork, new doors. You can actually see where the original fire was. It's still burnt just a little bit here, but they will work on brand new steps, and this whole street's gonna look different by the time summer rolls around because they're working on so many projects. But anyway, I wanna thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you on the beach. See you later, bye.